Welcome to the first episode of Math Vlogs of Marcos. Today's episode, we will solve the problem about simple interest. Let's go! Before we proceed to the problem, let us first define these terms which are related to property taxes. First, this is the real property tax. When we say real property tax, they are annual taxes paid by real estate owners to local levying authorities to pay for services such as roads, water, sewer, public schools, policing, fire departments, and other community service. Next is the assets value. They are the net value of an invested fund's assets less its liabilities divided by the number of shares outstanding. Last is the tax rate. It's the percentage of which an income of an individual or corporation is taxed. Now we learned about the terms. Let us now proceed to the example problem. Now, let us read the sample problem below. Mrs. Concepcion will pay her real property tax, which is at the rate of 2% annually. If the assessed value of her house and lot is 2,500,000 pesos, how much tax should she pay? Well, to calculate the amount of real property Mrs. Concepcion needs to pay, you can follow these steps. Step number 1 is to determine the assessed value of the property, which is 2,500,000. Then, we have to calculate the annual tax rate, which is 2%. Since it's a rate, which means we need to turn it into decimal. Then, we have to multiply the assessed value by the tax rate to find the annual tax amount. Two times 0, 0. 2 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 times 5, 10. Carry 1. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. Then, we have to write the zeros like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then another one. Then add another dozen of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, we have to add the plus sign. Then sum it all up, we have to add the zeros and the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Then after that, put the number 5, 0, and 0. Next, we have to count the decimal places into the right. So 1, 2. Then put 1, 2. Then, always don't forget to put the comma here. And we have to remove these two zeros. And obviously, do not forget the peso sign. If you're from another country, you may as well forget that. Now, there we go! You will notice here that in the problem it says PHP, but in the solution it says P. Well, it turns out they're both the same money, which is the same thing we use in the Philippines. In conclusion, Mrs. Concepcion should pay 50,000 for her real property tax. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Next, and we'll send some activities for you to try out yourself as well. Thank you very much for watching Math Vlogs with Marcos. Like and subscribe for more.